What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is head day. Boom. Here's the block. Pistons came out pretty good, nice and shiny. Not too shabby. As you can see, everything came out pretty nice. Right here, the edge is really nice right here, the paint job. And John came over and we took off the pump and the pan. So insert footage here. So today we're going to put the GTE head on the GE block. So this is going to be high compression, and we're going to be using this brand new, well, it's not brand new, but freshly out of the machine shop, all nice and clean. BC cams. These are the 264s, I think. Yeah, 264 right there if you can see it. And we're gonna put the Tomei head gasket, and we got some ARP head studs. We got the upgraded ones not by choice but because of COVID. These were the only ones available, which is okay, not a big deal. These are the 625. These are 625 pluses. These are really nice. They're for more, like, you know, higher horsepower builds, but eventually this will be a high horsepower build because right off the bat, we're just going for about like 500 horsepower because I'm still running the W58. So until I upgrade that transmission, we're just going to be looking for around 500. Even 450 is fine with me. So yeah, so let's make sure that I'm going to make sure that this is nice and cleaned. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna clean it up.
Yeah, so we're gonna, after you clean the top of this, all that stuff's gonna fall in all these holes. So some of these are coolant and some are oil. So the oil we can blow straight through because the oil pan's not on. But we want to get as much stuff out of the coolant jackets. The main thing is the stud holes for the head bolts. They need to be clean. So to make sure that they get torqued right. So we're gonna take some compressed air and blow those out so they're nice and clean. See some of the dust flying around. See it flying.
So what about in between the piston heads right here?
What do you mean? Like,
because I was cleaning it, and then I know gunk got back there. What I was doing was I was rotating it and then cleaning, right? And then rotating and cleaning it. So you think that's good? I mean,
yeah, you want to clean what you can get out of there out, and then it won't hurt to spray like some WD. Were you wiping it with WD?
Yeah. I was
okay. Yeah, that's fine. And then, you know, on first startup, all that stuff's going to eventually fall into the oil, and that's why you want to just run it for a few minutes, break in the cams, and then change that oil right away, because all that crap that's in there will get caught in the oil filter, and then, you know, you can cut the filter open if you want.
And see what came out.
See if there's a bunch of stuff in there. You're mainly looking for metal at that point, but
yeah.
Yeah, they just change the oil and call it a day.
Yeah, so we're going to clean this right here. It's like oily from the machine shop, so we're just gonna clean it all up, make sure it's nice and clean. Just use some brake clean on it. Like, all right here we got the ARP head studs, and it calls for a little dab on here. Then install it, but you're not supposed to really tighten it very tight, just finger tight. That's what the instructions say.
And make sure the Allen head sides up.
Yep. Oh. All right, so we got these all installed, and we put a nice little dab on each one from when we put the head on. So now we're going to go to the head gasket, and we are going to use this right here, the copper spray the gasket. Spray a gasket. That's what it says. Copper spray a gasket. So spray this and then put it on and then put the head on.
And that's gonna help with some of the pitting we got in here from coolant. So that's gonna help seal that up and help seal up our compression ring.
Yep, so let's do it.
Remember looking at Tomei parts when I was a kid and I was like, that's cool.
Now we have some.
Now we have some.
And there's nothing in there.
Just kidding, it's gone.
Has an insert. Man, that's nice. Look at that.
It's got a long way to go. It's got a long way to travel.
That's nice.
Oh, thank God you got stickers. Gotta have stickers.
Wow. Yeah, let's put this aside. And what's here?
Got a QR code.
It's a download manual.
Oh, that's cool.
Got 2 stickers.
Sick.
Nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Sweet.
Look at that.
Even says it right there.
Nice.
2jzgte. That's pretty sweet.
I know. I feel bad spraying it.
I've only ever used the Toyota OEM ones because people say
They're good enough.
they're good. Yeah.
Yeah.
But
I think this is overkill for my
sweet.
build.
That's okay.
Yeah. But overkill's okay. Yeah. All right. Going back to my tagging years. No, I'm joking. I didn't tag. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Getting high.
I was gonna tag West Side on it.
Bam.
There it is.
Just like that.
Yep.
I'm gonna lean down a little bit. Alright. I'm gonna set this corner on first. Yep, there we go.
There it goes.
Perfect. Yep. Now this rocket work. Yep. There you go. There
Oh
you go.
yeah.
On there.
Yes. So we got this lubed washer on both sides.
Yep, throw that. Bam. There you go. And you can do the same thing with the nut.
Oh, this is not going in right. Right, so we made a boo-boo. And we have to put the washer in first before we put the stud in. So we're taking all these out. And then we're gonna put the washers in and then drop the studs. If you can see right there, we did one. You tested it. And it worked. So we had to take the stud out, drop the washer, and then put the stud in. So
learn from our mistakes is what he's saying.
Learn from our mistakes.
I only ever did this one time and it's like probably 2015. I was just telling him, so this is probably how I did it too.
Yeah.
Made the mistake once, dropped the washer in, then put the stud in. So
Yep. All right. All right, it's time to torque.
twerk.
It's time to twerk. So we're gonna start off with 33 foot-pounds. We're gonna go into increments and go all the way to 100. So
As per the instructions.
isn't there's a pattern, right?
Yep.
It's on the other side of that, I think.
Yep.
So
So that's the front of the engine. So they want you to start on the intake side.
so we're going to 1 here.
Yep. So you're gonna do 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6 like that. So I'll point them out. For you.
Okay. Yeah.
And since you're on the side of pulling, you might have to do is put your foot in front of the wheel at some point. because once you get into the higher torque, it's going to want to turn the whole stand.
Yeah, it feels like it's already hard.
Yep, there you go.
So we were on 11 out of 14, torquing them at 100. And let's see here. If you can see that, I don't know if the GoPro can pick it up, but the socket broke.
And a way to know sockets are broken is they make a goofy sound.
That's the broken one?
That's a broken one. This is a good one.
Man.
That's how you know you got a broken socket. Make a goofy hollow sound.
Yep.
I think it broke big too. It broke all the way up and then started going that way.
I thought it was my mistake. So I thought what it was is
I was hoping the ratchet skipped a tooth inside.
So what I thought was going on was, you know, sometimes because it's in an angle, I thought maybe I wasn't on the nut right.
It slipped off.
And it slipped off of it.
Yeah.
But that wasn't the case. All right, guys, so we're done for today. I brought the Supra in, and yeah, so we were almost done. We cracked it right here on, I think, 11. So there's 14 altogether, so we were almost done. I got to get a new one of these tomorrow or whenever. So we're gonna stop here. The next video we will be installing these BC cams right here, and we got some more goodies coming your way. So stay tuned. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for the next video. All right, guys, also go show some love to Rob at Sideways Performance. If it wasn't for him, all this would not be possible. He kind of gave me a kick in the butt to start, you know, doing this work, you know, turboing my car. So he's a tremendous help. So yeah, go show him some support from me. I will have his link in the description to his Instagram and his YouTube channel. So yeah, till next time, peace out.